Clothes vocabulary in English. Dress, dress. Skirt, skirt. Blouse, blouse. Tunic, tunic. Leggings, leggings. Heels, heels. Flats, flats. Bra, bra. Panties, panties. Handbag, handbag. Scarf, scarf. Cardigan, cardigan. Crop top, crop top. Camisole, camisole. Gown, gown. Jumpsuit, jumpsuit. Suit, suit. Tie, tie. Shirt, shirt. T-shirt, t-shirt. Pants, pants. Jeans, jeans. Shorts, shorts. Blazer, blazer. Jacket, jacket. Belt, belt. Boxers, boxers. Undershirt, undershirt. Polo shirt, polo shirt. Sweatpants, sweatpants. Hoodie, hoodie. Loafers, loafers. Pajamas, pajamas. Slippers, slippers. Socks, socks. Undergarments, undergarments. Coat, coat. Raincoat, raincoat. Windbreaker, windbreaker. Overcoat, overcoat. Boots, boots. Gloves, gloves. Hat, hat. Beanie, beanie. Sunglasses, sunglasses.